Many men desire a larger penis. They seek greater confidence and sexual satisfaction. It's important to approach this topic with sensitivity and accurate information. Sexual wellness is crucial for overall well-being. It's about feeling good about your body and your sexual experiences. There are many misconceptions about penis size. It's essential to focus on what's healthy and realistic. Open communication with your partner is vital. Discuss your concerns and desires openly and honestly. Remember, intimacy is about connection, not just physical attributes. Seeking professional guidance is crucial. A healthcare provider can offer personalized advice. They can address your specific concerns and goals. There are safe and effective ways to enhance your sexual health and confidence. It's time to separate fact from fiction. Let's explore the world of male enhancement with a focus on scientific evidence and expert opinions. Remember, your journey to enhance sexual wellness starts with knowledge and self-acceptance. Natural enhancement methods focus on lifestyle changes. These methods aim to improve overall health and blood flow. While they might not significantly increase size, they can enhance what you already have. Exercise is crucial for overall health, including sexual health. Regular physical activity improves blood circulation. This benefits penile tissue and erectile function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Diet plays a vital role in sexual health. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins is essential. These foods provide nutrients that support blood flow and overall well-being. Limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats is also crucial. Stress management is essential for sexual health. Chronic stress can negatively impact blood flow and hormone levels. Explore stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Penis pumps are devices that create a vacuum around the penis. This vacuum draws blood into the penis, causing a temporary erection. Some men use penis pumps to increase size, but the results are usually temporary. While penis pumps are generally safe when used correctly, there are potential risks. Using a penis pump too frequently or for extended periods can damage penile tissue. It's crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. It's essential to have realistic expectations about penis pump results. While they can provide a temporary increase in size, they don't offer permanent enlargement. Consulting with a healthcare professional before using a penis pump is recommended. Remember, open communication with your partner is crucial. Discuss your interest in using a penis pump and any concerns you might have. Intimacy is about mutual understanding and respect. Section 4. Surgical enhancement, options and considerations. Surgical enhancement procedures, also known as penile augmentation, are available. These procedures aim to increase penis length or girth. However, surgery is a serious decision with potential risks and complications. Penile lengthening surgery typically involves releasing the suspensory ligament. This ligament attaches the penis to the pubic bone. Cutting this ligament can make the penis appear longer when flaccid, but it doesn't increase erect length. Penile girth enhancement usually involves injecting fat or other substances into the penis. This can increase the circumference of the penis. However, these procedures can cause unevenness, lumpiness, and other complications. It's crucial to consult with a qualified and experienced surgeon. Discuss the potential risks and benefits thoroughly. Surgery should be considered a last resort after exploring other options. Section 5. Understanding erectile dysfunction and its impact. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is the inability to achieve or maintain an erection firm enough for sexual intercourse. It's a common condition, especially as men age. ED can have a significant impact on self-esteem and relationships. While ED doesn't directly affect penis size, it can affect perceptions of size. Men with ED might experience a decrease in penis length or girth when flaccid. This is due to reduced blood flow to the penis. Various factors can contribute to ED, including stress, anxiety, smoking, alcohol consumption, and underlying health conditions such as diabetes and heart disease. Addressing these factors is crucial for improving erectile function. Treatments for ED are available, including medications, lifestyle changes, and therapy. If you're experiencing ED, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause and discuss treatment options. Section 6. Prioritizing sexual wellness and personal growth. Sexual wellness encompasses physical, emotional, and mental well-being related to sexuality. It's about feeling confident, comfortable, and fulfilled in your sexual experiences. Prioritizing sexual wellness is essential for overall health and happiness. Personal growth plays a significant role in sexual wellness. It involves self-reflection, identifying areas for improvement, and taking steps to become the best version of yourself. This might include addressing insecurities, improving communication skills, or seeking professional help. Building self-esteem and confidence is crucial for sexual well-being. Focus on your strengths and accomplishments. Engage in activities that make you feel good about yourself. Remember, confidence is attractive. Open and honest communication with your partner is vital for a fulfilling sexual relationship. Share your desires, concerns, and boundaries. Listen attentively to your partner's needs and feelings. Section 7. The path to confidence and fulfillment. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to male enhancement. What works for one person might not work for another. It's essential to focus on what's healthy, realistic, and right for you. If you're considering any form of enhancement, consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice, address your concerns, and guide you towards safe and effective options. Ultimately, the key to confidence and fulfillment lies in self-acceptance and a positive body image. Embrace your individuality, focus on your strengths, and cultivate a loving and respectful relationship with yourself and your partner. Remember, sexual wellness is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous learning, growth, and prioritizing your overall well-being. By embracing these principles, you can unlock a more confident and fulfilling sexual life. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on natural male enhancement.